So, as some of you guys know, I bought a new truck a little while ago, and as that truck was, oh, I don't know, a few days old, I did something real silly and stupid, and I backed into something, and this was the result. I started scraping it here and scraped all the way along, and then here got a little deeper, grabbed some more stuff, and then into the plastic. So, kind of sucks. Black truck. I know I should know better. It's anyway. So I thought, okay, well, it's not so bad. I can just get somebody to polish that out. It's just in the clear coat, I think. So I called around. I couldn't believe what guys were going to charge me. I thought, you know what? I can watch a YouTube video and do that myself. So I went online and found, should find myself something with a heavy cut compound, and then after that kind of polish it up, and then get myself a little polisher, I guess. So I did all that. This is, I think I still came in less than what the guy wanted to charge me. I haven't used any of this stuff yet, as you can see, but we're going to get into it. I don't think it's bad enough where I'm going to sand it. I don't think so. Like what I was seeing online by the pros was, if you can catch it with your fingernail, and I don't think I can. I think I can just polish that out. And I think all in, it'll end up costing me, I don't know, a couple $100 or something. Got a couple things to polish, and then a little cheap polisher. So, I think I'm gonna wash that thing, clean it up, and try and polish it, and we'll see what happens. Like when I was looking online, I was just trying to find some Goomba like me, some jabroni who's never done this before, and see what he does. Because yeah, you can go on and find guys who do this for a living, but I don't do it for a living, so I don't know if I can do it as good as some guy who does it for a living. Am I gonna be able to even fix this? I don't know. We're gonna give it a go. Worst case that happens, it doesn't work, and I gotta pay somebody to fix it and fix my mistake too. So I'm gonna go ahead and just clean this up with a little bit of detergent and water, and then maybe I'll tape off this plastic just so I don't get polish all over it, and we'll get going on this. Okay, so here I am. I got my detailing sauce here. So I'm just gonna give this a quick spray. We'll let her air dry. I'll get some tape on the plastic. Luckily, I just went shopping at the Dollar General for all my supplies. It starts here. I don't know if it's going to show up on camera or not. I'm just using a GoPro. Cuts across and then up into here. I've never used any of this stuff before. I picked this up off of Amazon, the website, not the jungle. So we'll use that, and then there's my new. Jacob, you want to grab me that? Well, we'll see what we can do here. I've never actually run a polisher before, so I should probably shake that up. But I did watch a YouTube video once. Now I'm gonna make one. Okay. So I'm gonna go after this stuff here initially. I'll just turn that down a little bit. So I got it on 3.
Website is wherever an ad just like I know, so I hope they don't try to do that and say they turn both of them off. So improper grammar. Like what?
I got to get back in here on that. I think it's a good start, but so I can still see a little bit of the scratch there and a little bit here as well. So I'm going to get on this one more time with the heavy cut, and then I'm going to switch over to the polish and light cut. I got a little bit up here, don't I? Okay. Want to go grab me that other bottle, Jacob? pretty happy with that. And to be honest, if that's as good as it ever got, I think I'd be okay with it. So we're gonna keep going. I'm gonna.
Not this.
No, not that. Yeah, one like this. Pretty happy with it so far. Let's keep going. What do you think, Russ? Sure beats the scratch we had, eh?
I just think it needs to dry 100%.
Well, we're not done, right? We had no sense letting it dry until we're done. But
Are they
perfect. Alright, this time I'm going to try this one-step polish. I should probably change this, but it's pretty dry, so I'm not going to. I probably got too much on there too. I think I do. We'll start over here. Alright,
nice?
this is gonna be it.
The big reveal. Nice. Good shot. Good shot.
Alright. What do you think, guys?
I think it looks great. I tried it. I like it. Strong. Extra black. Black is the best. Over there. Shortcut body works. But you can't see the cut circle.
Be like work on vehicles on the body, you know, diet, kept the body work.
Yeah, but those are neat. Those are neat.
Oh.
You know where it is, but I can't see.
Looks like you got it all.
So I'm real happy with it. I can't even tell where the scratches were. The cost of the compound and the Amazon polisher were less than I would have been charged to fix this. So I feel paying for scratch fixes, it's almost a scam. Do it yourself, it's easy. I've never even run a polisher before. I've never owned a compound. I just didn't feel like paying big bucks to fix this, so I didn't. Super happy with it. It looks just as good as any other part of the truck. So if you're thinking about doing it yourself, don't hesitate, get it. I went with a heavy cut compound first to get rid of the scratches, and then a polish, cut, gloss, and wax. I don't know, is there better stuff? Probably. I don't know what it is. So thanks for sticking around. If you hung around this long, think about subscribing. All right, thanks.